Growing old is, as my mom used to say, is not for sissies. 32 was a good time. I had energy. I felt that was probably the most that I felt like me. In the last few years, I've kind of felt like I've lost myself. I don't feel the essence of who I really am. I don't feel that 32-year-old anymore, and I would like to get that person back. I want to look dynamic, innovative, and savvy.
And now, let's do the big review.
I'm gonna live life, and I'm gonna celebrate it every step of the way. This experience, it's created more energy. I feel more energetic. I feel renewed. And I think that's going to help me move forward because I was starting to feel a little sluggish. I found that 32-year-old again.